Our story begins on a small, watery world, Earth, spinning quietly in the vastness of space, a blue oasis surrounded by darkness. Here humanity has always been brimming with curiosity and a longing to explore, gazing up at the night sky and wondering what lies beyond. In 1977 we launched Voyager 1, a robot ambassador built to journey beyond our solar system, carrying our dreams and questions into the unknown. Voyager was more than a machine. It was a symbol of our drive to reach for the stars, a testament to our ingenuity and imagination. Its mission, bold and unprecedented, was to explore the unknown, carrying a message from humanity into the cosmic dark, like a message in a bottle cast into a boundless ocean. Originally designed for a brief tour of the gas giants, Voyager 1 has far outlived expectations, sending back breathtaking images and data from worlds we had only imagined. Decades later, it continues its solitary voyage further from home than any human creation, venturing into the interstellar unknown. Voyager's journey is a testament to our desire to understand our place in the universe and to connect with whatever might be out there. Traveling at over 38,000 miles per hour, it drifts through the vastness, a true interstellar traveler, carrying the hopes of generations. It is our eyes and ears in the cosmic darkness, a remote probe scouting the unknown, listening for whispers from the stars. Voyager's story is not just about science, it's about hope, aspiration, and the human spirit that dares to ask, "What's out there?" and refuses to accept silence as an answer, and then builds a machine to find out, sending it bravely into the cosmic ocean, carrying our message across the stars. Voyager 1's launch was timed for a rare planetary alignment, a once-in-176 years opportunity. The outer planets lined up, creating a gravitational superhighway for a spacecraft to slingshot from one to the next. This gravity assist technique let Voyager visit multiple worlds, saving decades of travel and fuel. Voyager 1 and its twin, Voyager 2, were built to seize this cosmic moment. The mission, called the Grand Tour, aimed to explore the gas giants on an unprecedented scale. In the 1970s, Voyager's computers had less memory than a digital watch, yet they navigated the complex dance of planets. The mission was a high-stakes gamble. One micrometeoroid or system failure could have ended it all. But NASA's engineers built Voyager to survive radiation, cold, and the unknown. Against the odds, Voyager 1 left Earth carrying the hopes of a generation. It was aimed at the heart of the outer solar system, ready for its grand tour. And it would change our view of the cosmos forever. In 1979, Voyager 1 reached Jupiter, transforming our understanding of the giant planet. It revealed a world of swirling storms, including the Great Red Spot, a hurricane larger than Earth. But the real surprise was Io, a moon alive with erupting volcanoes, the most geologically active body in the solar system. This discovery revolutionized planetary science. Next, Voyager 1 arrived at Saturn, unveiling its rings as thousands of icy, dynamic ringlets. The spacecraft found strange phenomena, spokes, shepherd moons, and a system in constant motion. Voyager's flyby of Titan, Saturn's largest moon, revealed a dense, hazy atmosphere rich in organic molecules. While it couldn't see Titan's surface, it hinted at complex chemistry and the potential for life's building blocks. After Saturn, Voyager's path flung it out of the solar system's plane, its planetary tour complete. Its discoveries would inspire generations of exploration to come. Years after its planetary encounters, Voyager 1 was commanded to look back at Earth, a final act before it left our solar system behind forever. This was a moment of reflection, a chance to see ourselves from a perspective never before witnessed. Carl Sagan, a key Voyager scientist and visionary thinker, proposed this final portrait, a distant snapshot of our home, taken not for science but for meaning. He believed such an image could change how we see ourselves. In 1990, from nearly 4 billion miles away, Voyager captured the iconic pale blue dot. The photograph was a technical marvel, but its true power lay in its message. Earth appeared as a tiny pixel, suspended in a sunbeam, a humbling image of our place in the universe, reminding us how small and fragile our world truly is. The photo wasn't about science, but perspective. It was a mirror, reflecting our shared existence, and the thinness of the line that separates us from the void. It showed that everything we know, every person, every story, every joy and sorrow, exists on that fragile speck, floating in the cosmic dark. The pale blue dot reminds us of our smallness and our shared responsibility to care for our only home, a world that sustains all life as we know it. It's a legacy that transcends science, urging us to cherish and protect our world for future generations, and to recognize the beauty and rarity of our planet. In the vastness of space, our divisions seem trivial. Borders, conflicts, and differences fade when seen from such a distance. The image is a silent appeal for unity and stewardship, a gentle reminder that we are all passengers on this tiny world together. It's a cosmic perspective that forever changes how we see ourselves, inspiring awe and a sense of connection to all of humanity. Voyager's camera was then turned off, its mission complete, but its message endures, echoing across time and space. The pale blue dot remains a symbol of hope and humility, inviting us to look beyond ourselves and embrace our shared journey through the cosmos. With its cameras off, Voyager 1 pressed on, exploring the edge of the sun's influence, the heliosphere. For years, it measured solar wind and magnetic fields, heading for the boundary called the heliopause. Scientists watched for signs, a drop in solar particles, a surge in cosmic rays, a shift in magnetic fields. In 2012, the data confirmed it. Voyager 1 had entered interstellar space. It became the first human-made object to leave the sun's cradle and enter the galaxy's vast ocean. Now, Voyager drifts more than 15 billion miles from Earth, its signals taking over 22 hours to reach us. It's our lone emissary to the interstellar medium, sampling the space between stars. Voyager's journey is a quiet triumph, a testament to our reach and curiosity. It explores a realm we can only dream of visiting. Its odyssey continues, a lonely pioneer in the cosmic dark. Decades on, Voyager 1 remains remarkably reliable, but age brings mysteries. In 2022, it began sending garbled data from its attitude control system, though the spacecraft itself functioned normally. NASA engineers faced a puzzle. The data was nonsense, but Voyager's antenna stayed locked on Earth. After months of troubleshooting, they discovered the system was routing data through a failed computer, corrupting the signal. A command rerouted the data, restoring normal telemetry. But the cause of the switch remains unknown. More recently, Voyager has shown tiny, unexplained course changes and faint signal artifacts. Are these mechanical glitches, or signs of unknown cosmic forces in interstellar space? Some speculate about more exotic causes, but the truth is, Voyager is in a place we barely understand. Each anomaly is a reminder. The frontier is full of surprises. Voyager's endurance and mysteries keep us reaching for answers. Attached to Voyager 1 is the Golden Record, a 12-inch gold-plated disc, a time capsule from Earth. It was carefully designed to last 1 billion years, a message meant to outlive us all, traveling further than any human artifact before it. It holds greetings in 55 languages, sounds of nature, music from Bach to Chuck Berry, and images of life on our planet. These selections were chosen to represent the vast spectrum of human experience, from laughter and love to the rhythms of our world. The record is a message to the cosmos, but also to ourselves, a portrait of humanity's diversity and creativity. It's a reminder of what unites us, even as we celebrate what makes us unique. It includes diagrams of our solar system, DNA, and instructions for playing the record, all in a symbolic language. These images and codes are meant to bridge the gap between worlds, inviting any finder to decipher our story. The odds of it being found are tiny, but that's not the point. Its purpose is to reach beyond, to dream of contact, and to inspire wonder. The Golden Record is an act of hope, a declaration that we were here and we cared to share our story. It's a testament to our desire to be known, to reach out across the vastness of space and time. Voyager's legacy is twofold, a machine of discovery and a cultural icon. It's a symbol of our scientific ambition and our creative spirit. It represents our curiosity, ingenuity, and longing to connect. Voyager inspires new generations to look up and wonder what lies beyond. Exploration is about more than answers. It's about the journey and the courage to venture into the unknown. It's about daring to imagine our place in the universe. As Voyager sails on, it carries the story of a small, curious species from a pale blue dot. Our hopes, dreams, and questions travel with it. It is our message in a bottle cast into the cosmic ocean, a silent ambassador drifting endlessly, waiting for someone somewhere to listen, and its journey continues, echoing our hope across the stars. Voyager reminds us that even in the vastness of space, our story matters.